Magic has announced the pre-orders for the RedMagic 10 Air Flare variant will begin June 23. The phone earlier launched in China was to the global markets in April. It is available in single 16GB of RAM, 512GB variant for $649. Comes in Twilight, Hailstone and Flare, though the Flare variant will not be available for purchase. It has 6.8-inch OLED Full HD Plus display, 120Hz and up to 960Hz touch sampling to 1300 nits of peak brightness, 1160 PWM dimming and 100% DCI-P3 color, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with LPDDR5X RAM UFS 4.0 storage. It runs RedMagic 10 based on Android 15. You get dual camera like 50 megapixel, which is for both main and ultra wide, and you get 16 megapixel easy camera. It's powered by 6000 mAh battery, 50 watt fast charging. It comes with dual support, slim profile of 7.85mm. Gaming include Red-Core R3 chip, 520Hz dual and Ice Magic cooling solution. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 stereo speakers, NFC, RGB effects, and in-display fingerprint. RedMagic also launched the Gaming 3 Tablet Pro and which will debut globally as the RedMagic Astra. It has a 9.06-inch OLED display with 165Hz and 1600 nits of peak brightness.